Okay, back. So earlier it doesn't work, so here is the new one. So here, look. Yeah, like that, and add text. And you wait, you know what? I'll change it to this one. This is for my new edit, and the edit is going to be right now. This one. Wait. Yeah, like that, and press duplicate on this button. Duplicate, 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 and duplicate, and duplicate. And after that, remove the extra parts. Delete those. Delete, delete, delete. This one, delete. Okay, for each white, make it 4 seconds or 3 seconds and 9 milliseconds. Okay, and add this, and you just make it press transform. For this one, transform this one, press mirror there. Now, this one too again. Duplicate, 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 duplicate. Okay, done. And delete the extra. Oh wait, do not duplicate for that one. Add overlay right over here. Press this one. Press animations again. Find slide up and pick this one. That. And for these, you're going to need keyframes. So press that and find mask. If you find mask, press it and press mirror and make it rotated like this. And press keyframe. This one here. 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 And this one here. Okay, let's watch it now. And for this one, you can pick anything, yeah. You not just mirror, anything. So I usually use mirror and make it this and like that. This, 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 and wait, mask, press mask. Keyframe. Okay, done. And now, what happened? Perfect. So that's how you make my style edits, okay? Yeah, see ya. Noah out.